Good morning.
Good morning. Good Saturday morning.
Saturday before Easter.
Yes, happy Easter, everyone. Hope you had a good Friday.
Get moving.
Get moving.
I don't want to sit in the parking lot. We're in the post office parking lot. We just dropped off 5 packages from our YouTube sale on Wednesday. And we got 5 more packages to go. Oh, cross is going. Cross going wild.
Cross going wild.
Now you can't see it. I don't know how it's gonna work because the camera's gonna slide.
It's good. Yeah, it might go. It might fly around. We'll have to see.
Hopefully it doesn't break.
All right, so we're going to McDonald's, right?
McDonald's.
We need fuel.
Show me that way.
Yeah, why are you going this way? I don't know. This is the easiest way to go.
Well, you can probably like cut through Willow and end up over there. If you're a bus driver, you really don't. I'm just kidding. We find that more and more. Ever since Heather started driving the bus, she seems to, I don't know.
I'm stopping, Mom. I see the red arrow. I'm gonna
Heather
stop.
seems to not go the right ways ever since she started driving the bus. She either drives her bus route, or just in the car, or
I'm like, oh shoot, I'm going my bus route.
or she just starts driving in the longest way possible.
This is not the longest way. This is the shorter way.
I don't think so. There's so many lights. I don't know. I just don't like 130.
That's what it is. You just don't like the
I don't
highway.
like 130.
Well, I can't.
Anyway, moving on. So then we're gonna, after McDonald's, we were really excited. We thought it was the first Saturday of the month until we got in the car and Heather realized that last Saturday was April 1st. So we think that the one church that we went to, that we stumbled on by accident, was open today because they're open every
First and third?
first and third of the month.
The first and the third Saturday of the month.
Of the month,
Next week is the third Saturday.
Yeah.
So next Saturday will be the third Saturday.
All right, so well that's good. At least that makes it.
All right, hang on.
That makes me feel a little better. Because I really like that church thrift store, so definitely want to go back there. No soon. Anyway, so that's where we thought we were going to go, and then there's another church basically right around the corner that we went to, Grace Church. They are open today. They're open every Saturday, so we are going to go there.
Yes. And there's another one I found. It's called Twisted Sister thrift shop.
Where's that?
It's in Merchantville. It's on Park Avenue
Oh,
in Merchantville.
then we can go there.
You can try there. Yeah.
See if they're open. What time?
Twisted Thrift.
Alright, that sounds good. And then there's the Unity, I think it's Unity on the corner there in Peter Street.
Right.
You can hit that on the way home. It's just a cute little thrift store. They don't have a lot of stuff, but sometimes they have some good stuff.
Yeah. Sometimes they have.
And since it's right there in that area,
And on our way home.
yeah, I like to stop and hit all the thrift stores.
We're stopping. Red light.
Wasn't sure we were gonna make that stuff.
We got it.
That's why I don't like 130.
Right.
Oh, we got.
But there's no one on the road this morning, really.
I know, but it's the lights. We got Revive It Mom with us still. Yeah.
She's still here. She's still here with us. So we have a sale on Sunday. I don't know if I'll get this uploaded. I'll try to get this uploaded tonight. But we have a sale tomorrow, an Easter marathon on Instagram. It's an Easter marathon from 12 to 6 is the time slot, but we're on from 2 to 3, so we're on for an hour from 2 to 3 Eastern time on Instagram.
So just go on Instagram. If you want to join our show, just go on Instagram at 2 o'clock, and look at the top for our live. See us. It'll say live. Right.
Yes, it'll say we're live.
So that should be fun.
Yep, and then we're gonna schedule a Whatnot show soon, so we can get on and try to get a schedule on for Whatnot, so we can increase our following and sales there. 'Cause everyone's doing really well, so we want to get on the Whatnot train.
And get everybody, get our stuff out to you guys.
Yes.
We like to share our goodies, our finds.
We're gonna go around.
Again,
You gotta go around the
make
corner.
your turn. Excuse the hands.
Excuse my finger, my pink and me.
Almost like to be videotaped. Oh, there she goes.
There we are. There we go. We're okay. We're okay.
That's what's going on.
Yeah, it's warm. It's chilly this morning. What's the temperature? It's 41 degrees here in New Jersey.
Yeah, South Jersey. But the sun's out, so then
The sun's coming out, and yeah, it's gonna be a little chilly today, but it's gonna be a nice week. It's gonna be a nice, and we're on spring break. We have spring break this week, so we are on break. So we're gonna try to get to some stores that we haven't been to.
Yeah. Get to some new thrift stores. Also get some yard work done.
Yes,
Cleaning of the house. Spring cleaning has to
spring cleaning.
take place this week. With the boys, maybe the bowling and top golf.
Yeah, and we're going to a Phillies game on Tuesday. We're going to Phillies game. Hot dog night. Dollar hot dog night. I'm super excited for Dollar hot dog night. I've always wanted to go to Dollar hot dog night.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'm not going. Just her and her boys are going.
Just me and my boys. It's their Easter present. Look at these potholes. Potholes.
The weirdest parking lot. Whoever designed this didn't do a really good job. Because nobody parks back here anywhere, so
Not really.
they really don't need this extra parking back here. To make it such. Oh, I dropped the remote.
We got a line. We got a line from McDonald's this morning.
Wheel in.
It's pretty fast.
I guess mom doesn't want to go in. I don't blame you. I don't usually like to go anywhere. But there's nobody inside.
There's nobody. That's all right. Oh, they have a Masked Singer. They have Masked Singer figurines in the Happy Meals. I like that show.
I've never watched it.
They dress up.
Yeah.
Shani, are you gonna order?
I guess. I'm not
Or,
getting anything.
wait,
What does everybody want?
I want a hash brown and a small Coke.
are you getting anything?
No.
Okay, I'll order.
You getting anything,
I'm
Heather?
gonna get a hash brown and a small Coke.
Okay.
I don't know if we told you this, but Heather has a really hard time. First of all, ordering at the drive-thru
And in restaurants.
and in restaurants. Ordering in general. So whenever we're at the drive-thru, I have to sit behind her so that I can order.
I have anxiety about ordering. It's like pressure.
She does.
It's a pressure to
And
order.
then she can't make up her mind.
Yes.
I should be okay today, though. We'll see.
Using the app today?
No, thank you.
What can I get you?
Can I get 2 hash browns and 2 small Cokes?
That it?
That's it.
Personal.
Thank you.
That was easy.
That's an easy one.
And then she also has this thing about trying to figure out what she wants to eat. And like calling her boys to find out what they want. She gets so flustered. we wanted to get Chick-fil-A, and she was in the pet store, and me and Mom were in the car. And we're like, oh, let's get Chick-fil-A, it's right here. And Mom goes, well, call Evan, her oldest son, find out what he wants so she doesn't have to. And it was so simple. I'm like, what do you want from Chick-fil-A? Text me. He's like, okay. Call the other one, Ryan, what do you want? He tells me. I'm like, all right. But, yeah.
If this girl is
Oh, we have to see.
we have to
No, I don't think it's her.
it's not her.
Oh my goodness, it's one of the women who
It's not her?
drive through wears the best outfits for the holidays.
Hello.
Or 6, I think. Or 6.
She always dresses up
Oh,
for the holidays.
darn! I was hoping it was gonna be her.
Glasses. She's got like jacket. Like she's so fun.
She does it all. She
Yeah,
just
she really definitely puts her all into
how she looks.
how she looks when she's she's here, making the kids have fun, and it's just fun. She's got a great attitude too.
But she's not here today. I was hoping to get her on video for you.
Yeah. That would have been fun.
All right. So should we say goodbye for now? And
Why don't we can just cut out. We're cutting out. We'll be back. Now it's all. Oh, I got the control.
you have control.
I was waiting for you to do it. All right, bye, folks.